Today's party theme is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. My nephew loved the show and the possibilities are endless to throw a great party. I started by making this cute sign for photos. I used a foam board and cut out an opening. I added one turtle to each corner and I added some balloons and a slice of pizza to the sides, all made using cardstock. I used my Cricut to cut out the logo and added it to the bottom. This Pin the Mask game was a hit with all the kids. I used a black foam board and placed a turtle face in the center. I cut out the letters using my Cricut. I cut out several masks in red, orange, blue, and purple and placed double-sided tape on the back. Add a blindfold and this game is complete. This punch game was easy to make as well. I covered a foam board with a green tablecloth. I glued green cups to the front, added treats inside, and placed a piece of green tissue paper over the top of the cup. I added the name of the game with black vinyl adhesive. These were the treat cups. You can purchase these themed cups at Dollar Tree and fill them with your snacks. I used a pencil, fruit snacks, erasers, crayons, a bracelet, stickers, and other candies. I wanted to customize a sewer cover and made this one using items from Dollar Tree. I used a pizza pan, foam letters, and a foam board. I cut the foam board into small rectangular pieces. I glued the letters to the middle and started adding the foam pieces around his name. Once everything is attached, I gave it a coat of spray paint that kind of had a rock or stone type feel to it. I made another prop using a tri-fold board and cut a skyline into the top. I cut yellow rectangles from cardstock and glued them onto the board to act as lights in the building. Here is a look at his banner. I found a turtle shell image online and printed it on green cardstock. I cut out the letters from red cardstock using my Cricut. I used double-sided tape and added one letter to each shell. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.